We'll guide you through how to create AI agents in Zapier. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Explore page by clicking on it from the top menu. Here, you'll find a variety of AI tools and templates to choose from. To create an AI agent, click on the Create a Zap button, which will take you to the Zap editor. In the Zap editor, you'll start by selecting a trigger app. This is the app that will initiate your AI agent's actions. For example, you might choose Gmail if you want the AI agent to act upon receiving new emails. After selecting your trigger app, you'll need to set up the specific trigger event. Next, move on to the Action section. This is where you define what your AI agent will do once the trigger event occurs. You can choose an AI tool from the list of available actions, such as OpenAI or Google Cloud AI. Select the action that fits your needs, like generating text or analyzing data. You'll then configure the action by providing any necessary inputs or parameters. For example, if you're using OpenAI to generate a response to an email, you'll input the email content that needs a reply. Once both your trigger and action are configured, you can test your Zap to ensure everything works as expected. Zapier will run a test and show you the results, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments. When you're satisfied with your setup, don't forget to turn on your Zap to activate your AI agent. This will make sure your agent is ready to perform tasks based on the triggers you have set up. Remember, you can always go back and modify your Zap if your requirements change. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.